wipe it down and look at the difference. Let's see. Oh yeah, here it is. So I use like a cotton t-shirt. That's what I've always found that's worked the best for getting the wax off. Plus you're still waxing it. So just an old cotton shirt laying around. So I'm gonna have to go over the whole rig again. But I'm gonna stop here for today because it's getting too warm on this side of the rig. So I'll probably turn it around and let it this side cool down before I can finish the other side. So you gotta clean the window. So I just showed you the last video how much better it is. Now you can buff this. So I'll wipe it all down and show you again.